Hello students. Today we'll explore one of the most ancient and fascinating landforms of India, the Peninsular Plateau and its associated hill systems. This plateau tells the story of India's geological past and continues to shape our present geography. The Peninsular Plateau is the oldest landmass of India. It is roughly triangular in shape, broad in the north and tapering in the south. Its surface is rugged and uneven, but it's rich in natural resources such as minerals and forests. This plateau was formed around 2.5 billion years ago during the Precambrian era. It originated when the supercontinent Gondwanaland broke apart. Made mostly of igneous and metamorphic rocks, it's one of the most stable geological regions on Earth. Over millions of years, the plateau underwent uplift, faulting, and erosion. These processes gave rise to hills, valleys, and lava plateaus. Unlike the young and foldable Himalayas, the Peninsular Plateau is hard, stable, and resistant to change. Let's look at its major features. It has a triangular shape, broad in the north and narrow in the south, bounded by the Vindhya Satpura ranges in the north and the western and eastern Ghats on the sides. Its average height is between 600 to 900 meters, and it slopes from west to east. That's why most of its rivers, like the Godavari and Mahandi, flow eastward into the Bay of Bengal. The Peninsular Plateau is mainly divided into two broad parts: Central Highlands, Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands lie north of the Narmada River and south of the northern plains. They extend between the Aravalli Hills in the northwest and the Vindhyas in the south. The Central Highlands include several smaller plateaus. Malwa Plateau, made of volcanic rocks and famous for black soil. Bundelkhand Plateau, rugged and rocky. Baghelkhand Plateau, composed of ancient crystalline rocks. Chota Nagpur Plateau, rich in coal, iron ore, mica, and bauxite. Now comes the Deccan Plateau, the largest part of the Indian plateau. It lies south of the Narmada River and was formed by massive lava flows, giving rise to what we call the Deccan Trap. Its soil is mainly black and very fertile for crops like cotton. The Deccan Plateau is further divided into regions. Maharashtra Plateau, known for black cotton soil. Karnataka Plateau, made of granite hills. Telangana Plateau lies between the Godavari and Krishna rivers. Rayalaseema Plateau, dry, rocky, and less fertile. Towards the northeast lies the Meghalaya Plateau, which is an eastern extension of the Deccan Plateau. It includes three major hill ranges, the Garo, Khasi, and Jantia Hills. This region receives very heavy rainfall at Cherrapunji and Mawasyanram, two of the wettest places on Earth. Do you know why Meghalaya receives so much rain? Because it lies directly in the path of the southwest monsoon winds. When these moist winds strike the Khasi Hills, they are forced to rise, cool down, and release rain, a process called orographic rainfall. Now let's talk about the key hill ranges that define this plateau. Aravalli Hills, the oldest fold mountains in India. Vindhya Range forms the northern boundary of the Deccan Plateau. Satpura Range lies between the Narmada and Tapti rivers and forms a watershed region. The Western Ghats run parallel to India's western coast, stretching from Gujarat to Kerala. They are continuous and steep, with elevations from 900 to 1600 meters. The highest peak here is Anaimudi, standing at 2695 meters. The Western Ghats are crucial because they are the source of major rivers like the Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. They are also recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to their incredible biodiversity. These ranges cause heavy rainfall on the west coast, supporting lush green forests and plantations. On the other side, the Eastern Ghats run from Odisha to Tamil Nadu. Unlike the Western Ghats, they are discontinuous and lower, with an average height of 600 to 900 meters. They are cut across by several rivers such as the Mahandi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. The highest peak here is Armakonda. At the southern tip of India, several beautiful hill systems stand out. Nilgiri Hills are known for Ooty and Dodh Beta Peak. Annamalai Hills, home to evergreen forests and a peak Anaimudi. Cardamom Hills, famous for Kerala spice plantations. Further south, we have Shevarai Hills, known for Yercoid plantations. Palani Hills home to the hill station Kodaikanal. These hills are covered with dense forests, coffee, and tea gardens, making them both ecologically rich and tourist attractions. Let's summarize. The Peninsular Plateau is the oldest part of the Indian landmass. It consists mainly of the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. The western and eastern Ghats form its boundaries. This plateau is rich in minerals, forests, rivers, and biodiversity, truly a gift of nature to India. That's all for today's lesson, students. In the next class, we'll move towards understanding the northern plains of India. Until then, keep revising your notes and keep your curiosity alive. Jai Hind.